Jason, do you love clementines? Yeah. This is like the slowest I've ever seen you eat clementines. You usually can't get it in your mouth fast enough. So cute. So cute. Yummy? Is that yummy? Yeah? I love you, Mason. I hope you enjoy your clementine. You did really well tonight. You ate turkey meatballs and pasta for your first time. I love you. Are you laughing at yourself? Because you know you love clementines. You can't eat them fast enough. Chew. Chew. Chew, Mason. Chew. Chew. Good job.